Hi, I'm the herb guy. Let's harvest some echinacea seeds. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to harvest some Echinacea angustifolia seeds before the birds eat them all. And this is our Echinacea angustifolia patch. This is usually considered the most potent of the echinaceas. Now, this works for echinacea, any of the coneflowers. If you see this seed, it is really spiky. And if you're not careful, um, it will definitely get you. As you also saw, the birds were really liking that. Now, this plant the roots will spread, but only a little bit each year. This one is not quite ready. The plant itself is still green, so I'm going to leave her sit for a bit. So when you go, you just clip off the heads. It almost looks like burdock, doesn't it? Clip off the heads. And when you dry them, do not use a dehydrator. Um, don't use your dehydrator. That is not a really good way to do seeds. If you get them too hot, you will kill them, and they will not be good for you for next year. The roots will spread anywhere from 6 inches to 2 feet, depending on how big your potter is and what kind of soil you have. So you have your seeds. I cut them all off. See, this is how many seeds I'll end up with this year. So there's probably, I don't know, 200 or 300 there. Got to be careful with them because they will start to fall off. There's one. See. So if you want to dry it, the most effective way to dry it and to keep critters out of it is a simple paper bag. You put them in a paper bag. You got to make sure that they're not all clumped together. So you put them in a paper bag, and then you take the paper bag and simply fold it. And then you let it sit. Now, you can cut, like with a very fine knife or a razor blade, you can cut a couple small slits in the paper bag, but the paper bag is going to serve as your sponge, and it'll help absorb moisture from the plants, and it'll act as a good way and a safe way to dry your seeds without ruining them. Now, I looked on the bottom there. There's already about 50 seeds that are on the bottom, and if anybody's interested in seeds, you need to DM me, and I'll talk about how I'm able to get seeds to people. It's pretty simple. And I also have a Patreon account, so if you really like my work, please consider supporting me there. It's literally $3 a month. It's like 10 cents a day. So I think a little bit of an education is worth 10 cents a day. Wouldn't you agree? All right, folks, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw today, let me know in the comments below. Have a great day.